Do you often feel tired, notice swelling in your ankles, or wake up several times at night to use the bathroom? These small but frustrating changes often happen as we get older, and many seniors over 60 think they are just part of aging. The truth is that your kidneys may be struggling silently, and the foods you eat every day play a powerful role in either helping or harming them. Poor kidney health can lead to fatigue, high blood pressure, and even more serious complications if ignored. But the good news is that natural foods can make a real difference. In this video, we will count down 10 kidney healing foods that seniors should eat daily. Each food is gentle, nourishing, and proven to support kidney function, balance blood pressure, and improve overall energy. By the end, you'll know exactly what to add to your daily meals to feel stronger and healthier. Before we begin, I'd love to hear from you. Where are you watching from today? What health issue are you currently facing? Before we dive in, we've also uploaded some helpful kidney-related material inside a free senior health app, including trackers and simple guides. The link is in the description and pinned comment if you'd like to check it out. 10. Blueberries. Blueberries may look small, but they are a true gift for seniors who want to heal and protect their kidneys. They are rich in antioxidants, especially anthocyanins, which fight the harmful stress and inflammation that slowly damage kidney tissues over time. Many seniors over 60 often deal with fatigue and poor circulation, and these little berries help by improving blood vessel health and reducing the pressure on your kidneys. The natural compounds inside blueberries also protect your brain and memory, giving you a double benefit that supports both mind and body. Another reason blueberries are so helpful is their low potassium content compared to other fruits. Seniors with kidney challenges are often told to be cautious about potassium since too much can overload weakened kidneys. Blueberries give you the sweet taste you love without creating extra strain. They also support blood sugar balance, which is important because diabetes is one of the biggest causes of kidney problems in older adults. You can enjoy them fresh, frozen, or even added to a bowl of oatmeal in the morning. Just a handful each day can make a meaningful difference. By making blueberries a daily habit, you give your kidneys gentle, steady support to keep filtering waste more effectively and protecting your health for years to come. 9. Cauliflower. Cauliflower is one of the best vegetables seniors can eat every day to protect their kidneys. It is naturally low in potassium, phosphorus, and sodium, which makes it very kidney-friendly. Seniors with weak kidneys often need to limit these minerals because struggling kidneys cannot filter them properly. Cauliflower gives you a safe, versatile option that still tastes delicious and fits into many different meals. It can be boiled, roasted, or mashed as a healthy alternative to potatoes, which are high in potassium. Another healing benefit of cauliflower is its powerful plant compounds called glucosinolates. These natural chemicals support detoxification inside the body, helping your kidneys handle waste more easily. Many seniors also struggle with inflammation, which makes arthritis and joint pain worse. Cauliflower contains antioxidants that calm this inflammation, giving you relief not only in your kidneys, but also in your joints. This makes it a powerful food for older adults who want to feel lighter and more active. For seniors with diabetes or high blood pressure, cauliflower is especially helpful. It has a low glycemic index, meaning it does not spike blood sugar, and its high fiber content supports digestion and healthy weight management. Both of these reduce stress on your kidneys. Eating cauliflower 3 to 4 times a week, either as a side dish or even blended into soups, is a simple way to give your kidneys daily healing. When you replace heavier foods with cauliflower, you not only protect your kidneys, but also support your heart, joints, and overall energy. 8. Garlic. Garlic is often called nature's medicine, and for seniors with kidney concerns, it is one of the most powerful healing foods available. The main compound inside garlic, allicin, has strong antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that protect kidney tissues from ongoing stress. As we age, inflammation builds up quietly inside the body, damaging not only the kidneys, but also the heart and blood vessels. Eating garlic daily helps calm this hidden inflammation and supports better circulation, which reduces the strain on your kidneys. Another important reason garlic is so valuable for seniors is its ability to lower cholesterol and balance blood pressure. High blood pressure is one of the leading causes of kidney damage, and garlic naturally relaxes blood vessels, making blood flow easier and less forceful. This protects delicate kidney filters from long-term wear and tear. Seniors who include garlic in their diet often notice not only improved energy, but also better digestion. Since garlic also supports gut health, you can use garlic fresh in your cooking, roast it for a milder taste, or even add it raw to a salad dressing if you enjoy a stronger flavor. For those who find the smell too strong, roasted garlic offers a sweeter, softer taste while still delivering healing benefits. Consistency is the key. Eating garlic regularly is far more effective than taking it only once in a while. Just a few cloves spread throughout your meals each day can make a big difference. Garlic is truly a senior-friendly food that supports kidneys, blood pressure, and overall health naturally. 7. Apples. Apples are one of the most senior-friendly fruits when it comes to protecting your kidneys. They are low in potassium and phosphorus, making them safe for daily use, especially for those with kidney problems. The skin of apples contains a powerful fiber called pectin, which lowers cholesterol, balances blood sugar, and helps reduce the strain placed on your kidneys every day. Seniors often deal with poor digestion, constipation, or sugar spikes, and apples gently solve all three while keeping the kidneys safe. Another healing property of apples is their high level of antioxidants, such as quercetin. This compound reduces inflammation and protects kidney tissues from damage caused by free radicals. Seniors who experience fatigue or swelling may notice improvement when apples become a daily habit. Since they are naturally hydrating and easy to chew, apples are also an excellent snack for seniors who may not drink enough water throughout the day. You can enjoy apples raw, baked, or even stewed into a soft dessert that is easier to digest. Seniors often prefer softer foods, and cooked apples still deliver many of the same benefits. Green apples are especially good for balancing blood sugar, while red apples offer a sweeter taste and more antioxidants. Eating one apple a day is an easy and comforting routine that supports not just kidney health, but also heart and digestion. It is no wonder the saying goes, "An apple a day keeps the doctor away." For seniors, it truly helps keep the kidneys working stronger for longer. 6. Olive oil. Olive oil is not just a cooking ingredient. It is one of the best daily foods for seniors to protect their kidneys and overall health. Unlike heavy oils and fats that stress your body, olive oil is rich in healthy monounsaturated fats that support heart and kidney function. Seniors often deal with high cholesterol or stiff blood vessels, which increase the risk of kidney damage over time. Olive oil helps lower harmful cholesterol and improves circulation, giving your kidneys less strain to filter toxins. Another important benefit is its strong anti-inflammatory effect. Chronic inflammation is one of the silent enemies of kidney health, and olive oil's antioxidants, especially oleic acid and polyphenols, help calm that inflammation. Seniors who include olive oil in their meals may also notice less joint pain and better digestion, since it gently supports the stomach and intestines as well. This makes it a multi-benefit food for seniors who want to feel lighter and more energetic. Olive oil is also very easy to include in your daily meals. You can drizzle it over salads, mix it into cooked vegetables, or use it as a replacement for butter or heavy oils when cooking. Even a tablespoon a day can make a lasting difference. For the best results, always choose extra virgin olive oil, which is the least processed and the richest in antioxidants. Seniors who use olive oil regularly protect not only their kidneys, but also their heart, brain, and joints, making it one of the most powerful foods to keep aging healthier and more comfortable. If you're facing fatigue, swelling in your feet, or rising blood pressure, and you're over 60, this may be your warning sign. Thousands of seniors are already using a free health app that gives them simple tools to track symptoms, avoid risky foods, and feel supported every day. You'll find the link in the description and pinned comment. Don't miss it before it's too late. 5. Cabbage. Cabbage is a gentle and healing vegetable that seniors should eat regularly to protect their kidneys. It is naturally low in potassium and phosphorus, making it a safe option for older adults who must watch their mineral intake. At the same time, cabbage is rich in vitamins such as vitamin K, vitamin C, and vitamin B6, which all play a role in protecting kidney tissues and improving overall energy. Many seniors also deal with poor digestion and constipation, and the fiber in cabbage supports smoother digestion while reducing pressure on the kidneys. Another key benefit of cabbage is its natural anti-inflammatory compounds, which help protect the kidneys from damage caused by stress and high blood pressure. The antioxidants in cabbage, especially when eaten raw or lightly cooked, reduce harmful free radicals that often speed up kidney decline. Seniors who include cabbage in their meals may also notice improved circulation and lighter joints, since it calms inflammation throughout the body. Cabbage is also one of the most versatile vegetables you can eat. It can be shredded into salads, lightly steamed, or cooked in soups. For seniors who prefer softer foods, stewed cabbage is gentle and easy to chew while still providing all its healing properties. Eating cabbage 2 or 3 times a week can help ease the workload on your kidneys and give you extra vitamins without adding stress. This simple vegetable is often overlooked, but it truly supports kidney health, digestion, and overall comfort in daily life. 4. Strawberries. Strawberries are not only sweet and refreshing, they are also powerful kidney healing fruits for seniors. Like blueberries, strawberries are packed with antioxidants, especially vitamin C and anthocyanins, which protect kidney cells from damage and slow down the effects of aging on these vital organs. Seniors often experience low energy and poor circulation, and strawberries help by improving blood vessel health, reducing inflammation, and supporting the heart along with the kidneys. One of the reasons strawberries are especially senior-friendly is their low potassium content compared to other fruits. This makes them safe for daily enjoyment without placing extra stress on the kidneys. They are also naturally hydrating, which is important for seniors who may forget to drink enough water during the day. Proper hydration keeps kidneys filtering smoothly and reduces the risk of infections or stones. Strawberries are also wonderful for seniors dealing with diabetes or high blood sugar. Their natural compounds slow down sugar absorption, keeping blood sugar levels more stable and easing the burden on kidneys that already work hard to remove waste. You can enjoy strawberries fresh, blended into a smoothie, or even cut into small pieces as a topping on yogurt or oatmeal. A small bowl each day is both delicious and healing. For seniors who want a natural sweet snack that supports kidney and heart health, strawberries are a safe and enjoyable choice that brings daily comfort and long-term protection. 3. Onions. Onions are one of the most helpful foods for seniors with kidney concerns, and they also support overall aging health. They are low in potassium, making them safe for seniors who need to control this mineral carefully. At the same time, onions are full of antioxidants, especially quercetin, which reduces inflammation and helps protect kidney tissues from damage. Seniors who struggle with swelling, fatigue, or high blood pressure may find relief when onions become a regular part of meals. Another important benefit of onions is their natural ability to improve circulation and support heart health. High blood pressure is one of the leading causes of kidney damage, and onions gently relax blood vessels, making it easier for the heart to pump and for kidneys to filter blood. Onions also support digestion by encouraging the growth of healthy bacteria in the gut, which helps seniors absorb more nutrients from their food. Onions can be enjoyed raw in salads, sautéed for soups, or roasted for a sweeter taste. They are versatile and can be added to almost any dish, making it easy to include them daily. Red onions are especially rich in antioxidants, while white and yellow onions are lighter and milder in flavor. For seniors, adding onions regularly not only supports kidney health, but also improves heart function, digestion, and overall energy. This simple kitchen staple is truly a natural healer. 2. Red grapes. Red grapes are a kidney healing fruit that seniors over 60 should include in their daily diet. They are packed with antioxidants, particularly resveratrol, which protects blood vessels and reduces inflammation that often damages kidneys. Seniors with high blood pressure or diabetes benefit especially, since red grapes improve circulation and help regulate blood sugar. By easing the strain on blood vessels, they allow kidneys to filter more efficiently and with less stress. Red grapes are also hydrating, which is important for seniors who may not drink enough fluids throughout the day. Proper hydration supports kidney filtration and reduces the risk of urinary infections, which are common in older adults. Unlike many other fruits, red grapes have a perfect balance of sweetness and fiber, so they satisfy cravings without spiking blood sugar too quickly. For seniors dealing with arthritis or joint stiffness, red grapes offer an added bonus. Their anti-inflammatory compounds help calm pain and swelling, making daily movement easier. They are also gentle on digestion and easy to chew, making them a comfortable snack for seniors. You can eat them fresh, freeze them for a cooling summer treat, or add them into salads for extra flavor. Eating a small handful each day is enough to give your kidneys steady protection. Red grapes bring healing not only to your kidneys, but also to your heart, joints, and overall well-being. 1. Cranberries. Cranberries are one of the most powerful kidney healing foods, especially for seniors. They are best known for protecting the urinary tract, but their benefits go far beyond that. Seniors often face frequent urinary infections, which weaken the kidneys over time. Cranberries contain special compounds called proanthocyanidins that prevent harmful bacteria from sticking to the bladder and urinary tract walls. This reduces infections, giving kidneys less stress and more protection. Cranberries are also low in potassium, making them safe for daily use in seniors with kidney concerns. Their antioxidants fight inflammation and protect kidney cells from long-term damage. Seniors who often feel fatigued, bloated, or struggle with water retention can benefit from cranberries as they gently support fluid balance in the body. This is especially important after 60, when kidneys naturally work less efficiently. You can enjoy cranberries in several forms, but the best option is unsweetened cranberry juice or dried cranberries without added sugar. Many store-bought versions are loaded with sugar, which cancels out the benefits, so choosing natural forms is key. Even a small glass of pure cranberry juice or a handful of dried berries daily can keep your urinary tract clear and your kidneys healthier. Seniors who make cranberries a habit often notice fewer infections, better energy, and improved comfort in daily life. This small fruit is truly a mighty protector for your kidneys. Your kidneys work hard every single day, even when you do not notice it. For seniors over 60, protecting them with the right foods can mean the difference between fatigue and renewed energy, between daily discomfort and long-term health. Today we shared 10 powerful kidney healing foods: blueberries, cauliflower, garlic, apples, olive oil, cabbage, strawberries, onions, red grapes, and cranberries. Each one offers natural protection and gentle healing that your kidneys deserve. By adding them into your meals, you give your body the support it needs to stay strong. Remember, small changes build up over time. Even one daily habit can reduce swelling, balance blood pressure, and help you feel more independent. To avoid missing warning signs and to stay on a healthy routine, check the link in the description and pinned comment for the free Senior Health app. It's helping thousands of seniors feel more supported every single day. Always talk with your doctor before making any changes, especially if you already manage kidney disease or other health conditions. With gentle care and the right foods, you can feel hopeful and healthier at any age.